United Committee Manipur holds one-day public alert meeting on possible settlement of Naga peace accord at Lamyanba Shanglen Palace compound. Amju President Bijoy Kakchingtabam clarifies doubts over journalist pension scheme under DIPR. Combined steam destroys illegal structures above Naga Nala using heavy machineries, warns of more such drives. And Lok Sabha MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan assures to approach centre to take measures for preserving traditional art forms of Manipur. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joyce Rubusham with the top stories and latest news at this hour. United Committee Manipur UCM held a one-day public alert meeting on possible settlement of Naga peace accord at Lamyanba Shanglen in Palace compound today. Leaders of various communities of hills and valley regions of the state attended the meet. Speaking on the sidelines, UCM General Secretary Khuraijam Athauba stated that UCM welcomes finalization of the ongoing Indo-Naga peace talks between the Indian government and NSC and IM. However, it should not affect Manipur in any manner. He warned that UCM and people of the state will stir into intense agitation if Manipur's territorial integrity is ever disintegrated. He condemned that leaders of the state government are busy in their tussle over leadership posts rather than trying to find out the content of Indo-Naga framework agreement, stating that even the governor of Nagaland, R.N. Ravi, had earlier disclosed that the Prime Minister's office has instructed to end the peace talks by this October. Athauba urged people of the state to unitedly protect the state. He also asserted that UCM is ready to campaign in every hills and valley regions of the state to start a mass upheaval against any threat to the state.
July 26 lauthokhiba portuna October sida tha hum du phabanina October is next month ni si phawgi manung sida kamdongna loisalakadage habisi Manipur government na kayum makhalamtagi clue ma phaw leiramdana leiramba se masi ekhoji pura surprise oidana ekhoji pungaw ngawre maduna maram oirakanda tangai phadana ekhoji miyam na di masi kari oirakadano habisi tamangam dabnina makoina thengkhang kayarakta phongdokhiba wafam sing asidadi Manipur gi apunbagi saktam asida dum kari mawong ama natraga mawong ama dada khoi singnagani habigi poramadi dum yaroga leirabanina
President of All Manipur Working Journalists Union Amju, Bijoy Kakchingtabam, has stated that controversy over journalist pension scheme under DIPR rose after DIPR Assistant Publicity Officer APO Tenshubam Sangeeta stated that there is no more fund left for the pension scheme. Bijoy claimed that Sangeeta called for gathering funds for the pension scheme during a recent journalist pension scheme which was even attended by IPR Commissioner. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, Amju President Bijoy Kakchingtabam appreciated IPR Minister Thongam Biswajit for declaring on media yesterday that there is still a balance of 12 lakh rupees for the pension scheme. He urged the relevant authority to keep those 12 lakh rupees into fixed deposit account to compound the amount, and also appeals to raise awareness to new employees of DIPR about the pension scheme, which was launched in 1996.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ DIPRꯗ ꯁꯦꯟꯗꯨ ꯂꯥꯟꯅ ꯂꯧꯊꯣꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯅ ꯂꯥꯟꯅ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯊꯣꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯃꯥꯡꯍꯟꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯆꯤꯡꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯀꯩꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯩ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠꯇꯨꯗꯁꯨ ꯑꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯈꯤꯗꯦ APO ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯇꯤ ꯁꯪꯒꯤꯇꯥ ꯗꯦꯕꯤꯅ ꯄꯦꯟꯁꯟ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯤꯝꯁꯤ ꯄꯤꯕꯗ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯋꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯐꯟꯁꯤ ꯔꯦꯖ ꯇꯧꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯐꯝꯁꯤ ꯊꯝꯃꯛꯈꯤ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯊꯝꯃꯛꯄꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯑꯣꯅꯔꯦꯕꯜ ꯆꯤꯐ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇꯔ ꯂꯥꯛꯏꯉꯩꯗꯨꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯦꯟꯁꯟꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯤꯝꯁꯤꯗꯩꯗ ꯆꯤꯐ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇꯔꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯨꯄꯥ ꯀꯔꯣꯔ ꯈꯔꯗꯪ ꯍꯥꯞꯆꯤꯟꯕꯤꯔꯒ ꯅꯤꯡꯊꯤꯅ ꯄꯥꯎꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯄꯦꯟꯁꯟ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯄꯤꯕ ꯉꯝꯍꯟꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯑꯩ ꯑꯄꯤꯜ ꯇꯧꯖꯕꯅꯤ DIPRꯕꯨ ꯄꯨꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯅꯔꯦꯕꯜ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇꯔ IPRꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯛꯏꯕ ꯄꯥꯎ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯩꯗ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯇꯕ ꯃꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯐꯥꯎꯕ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯃꯒꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯔꯤꯒꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯖꯩ ꯇꯁꯦꯡꯅꯃꯛꯇꯤ ꯊꯣꯛꯏꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯤꯃꯛꯇꯤ ꯔꯦꯁꯄꯣꯟꯁꯤꯕꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯣꯐꯤꯁꯔ ꯑꯃꯅ irresponsible ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯛꯄꯗꯒꯤ ꯊꯣꯛꯄꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯊꯝꯖꯒꯦ
A combined team evicted more than 20 illegal shops constructed above Naganala using JCB today. Imphal West DC, Naurem Praveen, Imphal West Traffic Police SP Konzam Sarma, Imphal West Additional SP City Police OC and Imphal West Commando OC took part in the eviction drive. Speaking to media, SP Konzam Sarma warned that such drives will continue to destroy all the illegal makeshifts and extended shops. Today's eviction was conducted from Kasturi Bridge till Nagamapal.
Naganala mathaksidayda akogi masing khangna dukan mayamne enforcement tawsanaga public parking asibu matin business location ama authorize oidaba mawonga tarokase koina tingna bukid makta district administration ki makhada enforce tawli dukan sing asi legally pina thoksabani hariba khunthang asina akoina public.
A combined team of More Commando and 12 Assam Rifles seized 5,700 World is Yours tablets worth around 17 lakh rupees from 2 individuals yesterday. The miscreants are identified as 23-year-old Onkosei Mate, son of Jamkholet from the Maunafai village of Technopal district, and the other is a juvenile. According to Impact News sources, acting on a tip-off, the team conducted strict frisking operation at permanent motor vehicles checkpost in Kodeng Tabi. During the operation, the team recovered the contraband drugs from Onkosei, who was coming from More on a Kenbo bike. A police team, including women police, led by additional SP of Thoubal District Police Operation Sachidananda Soibam, has apprehended 4 people with 1,200-litre illegal country liquor and liquor manufacturing items. The team arrested them during an anti-liquor drive conducted at Jingkham, Kabui village under Lilong Police Station today. They also arrested 4 other women liquor vendors. All the arrested persons and the seized items were handed over to Lilong Police Station for further investigation. SPTH Vikramjit Singh inaugurated a child-friendly police station at More yesterday. District Child Protection Officer, Technopal District Police Officer, More Police Juvenile Officer and DCPU staffs attended the event. People have staged a sit-in against the arrest of staffs of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School in connection with the suspicious death of a girl student of the school. Residents of Langthabal, Chingthak, Chingkha and Kaupum carried out a protest meet at Langthabal Chingthak Community Hall today. Protesters used various placards demanding immediate release of the school staffs and to bring justice to the victim. Session Judge Imphal West has rejected the anticipatory bail filed by Yumna Mohindro, Executive Engineer, Building Division No. 2, Public Works Department, Manipur, in connection with the case registered against him at State Vigilance and Anti-Corruption Police Station, Manipur, for violation of the extant rule and release encashment to the tune of rupees 421.72 lakh rupees to the concerned contractors. All India Trade Union Congress AITUC Manipur carried out protest demonstration at Iravat Bhavan in Imphal today, demanding various welfare benefits for workers. Speaking to Impact News, General Secretary of AITUC Manipur, Laisram Sotin Kumar, stated that there should be 100 working days under Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. He demanded to implement the 7th Central Pay Commission in the state and to regularize contractual, casual, outsourced employees and scheme workers at the earliest. Sotin Kumar maintained that workers should be given a monthly salary of at least 18,000 rupees and a monthly pension of not less than 3,000 rupees.
BDF ki tolop ase matam ga chana mong da pina bagi dam contract casual master roll workers mayam sing se masi sarkar gi karmachari amana phangi ba maduga manana pina bagi dam ta maru bi su kayam pukhala kan dai khoi nasi gi su wakat pham se phambani adu loiner wakat pham sigi laurei ba warep sing se masi khoi center da thagani sarkar da taksan gani loiner october se masdagi na laiba 2020 gi october phau se all india trade union congress ki adu chama suba ma ki mapok sahi tabani Akoi Sahi Sig Manunda, Sibam Akoi, Langakta, Akoi, Bukaliba demand Mayam Sing Se, Are Palitana, Koi movement care, sanction of Vidamakta, Maru, Miang Tamakanta, Nasigi Sumba Koi, Wakat Nik Pamasi, Pantuk Seri.
Two-day research policy workshop on climate change perspective in Manipur, organized by Directorate of Environment and Climate Change by joining hands with NIT Manipur and KAU Manipur, kicked off at the Court Hall of Manipur University today. The workshop was conducted under the Ministry of Science and Technology, Government of India, as a part of the Human Institutional Capacity Building HICAB program and National Mission for Sustainable Himalayan Ecosystem. Second and last day of the workshop will be held at the Sangai Hall of Hotel Imphal. In today's program, representative of Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore, Dr. Indu K. Murthy gave presentation on the topic Climate Change Impact Modeling and Data Needs, while representative of Atmospheric Science, IIT Delhi, Professor Manju Mohan gave presentation on the topic Impact on Microclimatic Condition from Changing Land Use, Land Cover Patterns, Relevance to Northeast Region. Representatives of various institutes from across India, including KAU Manipur and NIT Tiruchirappalli, gave presentations on climate change at the workshop, which was followed by a panel discussion on steps to be taken against climate change.
Such type of research policy workshop on climate change perspectives in Manipur, in particular, and Northeast India in general, because all these belts belongs to Northeast Himalayan region. So it is very important place because these regions belong to highly eco-sensitive zone.
Only solution, you have to have a contingent action plan for research as well as extension. Otherwise, you see climate variability or climate is changing now and then. It is not restricted in any state, any country, any continent, but we can think globally, but we can act, we have to act locally.
Oinam MLA L. Radhakishore, who is also the chairman of Manipur Pollution Control Board and Khadi and Village Industries Board, distributed financial aids under MLA Local Area Development Fund as reimbursement to drought-affected farmers of Oinam today. Around 1 crore rupees were distributed to the farmers in the event held at the Mini Secretariat Conference Hall of Bishnupur DC office. Speaking at the event, MLA Radhakishore appealed to the farmers to cultivate abundant winter crops. Bishnupur DC, DRDO officials of PHED, Bishnupur and other people attended the event. Sarka Youth Front, Desam and AIMS conducted the 4th state-level open debating competition at the Jubilee Hall of Imphal College today. The competition was held on the motion of the House Manipurna pre-merger political status the Hanjin Bangam Laba Matamda Manipur India conflict Wakhaina Bangam Gani. Principal of Royal Academy of Law Oinam Irengbam Jugeshwar was the speaker, while High Court Advocate Yumnam Romola, Law Faculty Member of Manipur University as Dilip Kumar and Associate Professor of Imphal College as Sanjeev were the jury members. 34 students took part in the open debating competition. Speaking on the sidelines, Sarka Executive Member L. Lamyanba stated that the event aimed to create awareness about the history of the state to the youths.
अखोदी इंडिया दसु पुनगे हाइकिते पाकिस्तान दसु पुनगे हाइकिते अखोदी इरोमदम निंखा तंगनी हाइदना 1947 14 अगस्त अखोदी लेपखि मतुंग तारकपदा अखोगी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन अमका सेमलो मतुंगदा 1948 की जनवरी की थासदा अखोदा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन मणिपुर सनबा हवी हाइरिबा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन दुगी मतुंग इना जुन ग जुलाई थागदा मणिपुर दा इलेक्शन पांगथोय इंडिया पांगथोतुंगे मांग मणिपुर हाना पांगथोय हाइरिबा इलेक्शन अदुगी मतुंग इना मणिपुर दा 18 अक्टोबर दा मियाम की मिहुना लेंगाक सबा दुगुमा मणिपुर नेशनल असेंबली अमका सेटअप तौखि ओलकपा सही 1949 दा इंडिया दा तिनबगी अदुगुमा मणिपुर मर्जर एग्रीमेंट से मसी सिलोंग दा कंट्रोवर्शियल ओबे एग्रीमेंट से पीरबा मतुंग दा मणिपुर ने इंडिया मुक्तिन बने मसद अखोगी मिरोलसिंग ngasi nahasing अखोगी ओबे राइट करिनो अखोगी ओबे करम स्टेटस लेरमी हाय पोसा मसी याम फजना मयक सेना खंगबा मका मथौ ताय हाबसे खंगबदगी हाइरिबा मोसन असे पोथोकचरगा सेप्टेम्बर की तांग 19 माथोय मजेगी में साइन तौनखिबा नुमित से अखोय मणिपुर डिपेंडेंस डे हाइना अखोय पांगथोकचगनी मसीगी मांगजौना हाइरिबा डिबेटिंग कंपटीशन असे अखोय पांगथोकचबने
UMKIL will hold a discussion program on the theme Merger Agreement 1949 Manipur and India on September 21st. Speaking to media at UMKIL office in Kashampa today, UMKIL President Sakhi stated that UMKIL and UPF will jointly organize a program at Iboyaima Shumangli Lashanglen in Palace Compound. She appeals not to call any band or blockade on the day.
Angkil lamati UP ka punna khusam najaraga major agreement ki matangda tang kunma thoisida khoi gi function lama tawna bagi damakta hanan lepna jaki haibadi Manipur gi praja miyam gi ayaba amatta yawdana Desandra bu phosna gan point da khuyet pian khiba asigi damakta khoina major agreement si khoina function tawjage haidana tawbani function da lak gi gadori ba khoi gi nupi sing nupa sing gari da natraga okto da arapalam dagi kaya ma lakani maduda ban kawiri ba sing aduna ayet pa pan ba pibidana moi sia su thelaga lakani okto oiro duga gari oiro matam duda harassment pibidana isa pan ko biri ba isa sing duna thado piro apan ba pibiga no haiba wa pham sim masu thamjari.
Secretary of Lukram Lairag Youth Club Sagolban Lukram Lairag in a press release stated that the club extends full solidarity to all the initiatives of Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee Manipur STDCM for inclusion of Meitei community in the Scheduled Tribe list of the Indian Constitution. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on assurance given by Dr. R.K. Ranjan to approach the center to save traditional art forms of Manipur. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English News. Lok Sabha MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan has assured to urge the centre to take measures to save the traditional art forms of Manipur like Wari Liba, Khongjom Prabha, Pena Phamsak and many others which are on the verge of extinction. He stated the same at the valedictory event of 5th Guru Ngasepam Tombi Memorial Wari Liba Festival 2019 held at Bhakta Ashram Ground in Moirangkhom today. Repertory of Wari Liba Manipur in association with a Raising Youth Organization RYO Moirangkhom organized the festival. Speaking at the event, Dr. R.K. Ranjan lauded Repertory of Wari Liba Manipur for organizing such events which aims at saving the dying art forms of Manipur, urging those who are interested in organizing such a festival or workshop based on traditional art forms in and outside the state to contact the relevant department or Manipur State Kala Academy. Dr. R.K. Ranjan assured of necessary assistance. Speaking on the occasion, Director of Repertory of Wari Liba Manipur, Takhelambam Sham Kanhai stressed on the roles taken by the organization in preserving the traditional art form of storytelling Wari Liba. He stated that efforts are on to conduct the first ever Wari Liba festival for Northeast states in Imphal and even at Mandalay in the near future. Biannual Khomdram Nilo Singh Memorial Wari Liba Award 2019 was conferred upon Salam Ishai Hanba, while Kakching Tabam Brajamani Sharma Young Talent Wari Liba Award 2019 was presented to Mutum Iboyaima and Kontaujam Sanjit. Lifetime pension were accorded to 9 senior Wari Liba artists who are above 70 years on the occasion.
Manipur the hek playramba culture se mutkhi basu kayamani madu mayam do document torkanda hujik leiriba culture sida karamba culture do faidagi hena sothari base haibasi identified torkanda madu the trust pirakanda ekona yokna bagi cultural policy amadi ai lehenjani state kala academy da sarkar ne nominate toba natraga machin tongaba kalakar sing kharana represent toba committee nattava cultural council lama state kala di makada institute to honinge
maite kundari mangreda wali festival ma pantanda me khawar project ado ko da sia tumi awa joba mai ndaba ai ko ko da siam laiwa ai ko da ministry grant mantri ba sunatani mai ko government in policy ara ma kulama ada sai ai mama sai policy ni ko bi sai ko festival se pa to sabani ado ko thokta bani nai ko ai khan ado ga RYO gi rising organization deki amam ma ko se ko thoga ko bi raga ko festival se pa to sabani da ahan ma awa ko ki festival wai ko ko pa to na pa thamjare.
Biramangol College Students Union in a press release demanded the authorities concerned to provide adequate staffs and infrastructure at Biramangol College in Sawombung. Imphal East District Administration in association with Imphal Integrated Child Development Services ICDS Cell organized a Gram Sabha meeting today as a part of month-long Rashtriya Poshan Ma observance. Lamlai MLA Ketrimayum Biren, DC Imphal East Dr. Rangita Bali Waikom, officials of the relevant department, elected members of Sawombung, Pungdongbam and Kangla Gram Panchayat attended the event held at Pungdongbam Awang Lai Community Hall. Experts at the event showed how to make and administer ORS to combat diarrhea in children. Speaking on the occasion, Child Development Project Officer in charge of Imphal East 1 Sawombung, Tekcham Memcha stressed the need for a healthy diet for both mother and child.
Convergence meeting asida puliba koigi tonga section dagi lembir lei basingsi koigi PhD department ki yaure health department ki yaure margoina social welfare asida pinning ba message sidi assembly constituency singsida lairiba jila parishad amadi pradhan singi makhada lairiba anganwadi center singsida worker amadi helper da ngasagi makhoina honajariba thabak thoram singdubu kitang ikaiba khumnabiba amadi hena makhoigi thabak thoram du innovative haibadi encourage tawbiraga hena afaba thabak asi chatharakna bagi paithalna bagi pandamda posan magi pandam moina garsing dasu saigi makhoibu pungning thogal poina felicitation tawjaban.
District Administration Kakching and Department of Social Welfare ICDS Project Kakching also carried out a mass rally today as part of the month-long Rashtriya Poshan Ma observance. Deputy Commissioner Kakching Valentina Rambam flagged off the rally from the DC complex. The rally also passed through Kakching Market. Swachhta Hi Seva campaign kicked off at City Parking Nambol Bazaar today with an aim to collect 10% garbage from every household under Nambol Municipal Corporation, Council. Students took out a mass awareness rally on the theme Ban of Single-Use Plastic as part of the event. The first installment for individual household latrine scheme under Swachh Bharat Mission Urban and dustbins were distributed to beneficiaries at the event. Imphal East Zilla Parishad made to the list of Din Dayal Upadhyay Panchayat Sashaktikaran Puruskar DDUPSP 2019 award, which will be given to some of the best Zilla Parishads and Gram Panchayats by the Ministry of Panchayati Raj, Government of India. While Fayeng Gram Panchayat was selected for the awards Gram Panchayat General Category list and Waitun Gram Panchayat for the thematic category. Coalition Against Drugs and Alcohol CADA held its 13th Foundation Day celebrations in Press Club yesterday. Head of RIM Secretary Department Dr. R.K. Lenin, NAB Additional SP T.H. Brinda, Social Scientist Dr. Dhanabir Laistrom, CADA President H. Priyokumar and many eminent persons attend the event. Speaking at the event, Dr. R.K. Lenin called upon people to cooperate in curbing their menace to save youths. He also urged the public to refrain from serving mob justice to drug abusers when they are caught. Shiza Eye Care Foundation and Taubul Youth Development Association jointly organized a free eye cataract surgery camp under the National Health Mission at TYDA Club Taubul today. One eye surgeon and 7 medical staff checked up around 200 people at the camp. Film Forum Manipur FFM will organize a training cum workshop on film acting, film makeup and costume design at Shankar Talkies from October 10 to 17. FFM in a press release informed those interested to contact a Film Forum Manipur office between September 23 and October 7. Now the sports news. Pangamba Bodybuilding and Powerlifting Training Center celebrated Teachers' Day at the Community Hall of Kashamtong, Ilangbom, Lekai today. 18 teachers and bodybuilders of the center who had brought laurels for the state were felicitated on the occasion. Ampla patron T.H. Arun Kumar, MOA Secretary Sunil Langbam, Legal Advisor of the Center N. Shivadas, Secretary of the Center N.G. Thoiba, Founder of Corner Unit Tejas Sharma, renowned Manipuri film actor G. Boni and many eminent persons attended the event. 62 other players, 3 officials and national referees were also felicitated at the event. Speaking on the occasion, T.H. Arun Kumar encouraged the players to retain the status of a powerhouse of sports accorded to the state by facing various challenges. He also expressed gratitude to all those who have extended help to the bodybuilders.
National level, international level, medal satisfaction. reception ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯆꯤꯟꯕ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯗꯕ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯀꯌꯥꯗꯤ ꯂꯩꯕꯤꯔꯝꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯔꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯒꯤꯅꯤ ꯈꯜꯂꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯔꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯆꯥꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯇꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯉꯁꯤꯃꯛꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯎꯕꯤꯗꯕ ꯁꯤꯃꯛꯇꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯏꯁꯥꯃꯛꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯔꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡꯕꯨ ꯌꯣꯛꯈꯠꯆꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯃꯤꯁꯛ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯖꯗꯦ.
Both girls and boys team of Manipur University Kanchipur have bagged the championship title of Manipur University Inter-College Basketball Tournament. In the girls' final match played at MU Sports Complex on September 17, Manipur University's team defeated Don Bosco College Maram by 12-4. For the winners, Ms. Tholero scored 8 out of the 12 goals, while in the boys' final match played yesterday, Manipur University boys team dropped KP College Yangthang by 38-22. For the winners, Telhaiba scored 10 goals, Lucky and Boris scored 7 goals each. Dean of Students Welfare, Manipur University, Professor M. Ratan Kumar, Secretary of ADS, MU and MUSC, Dr. C.H. Pradeep, Head of Department of Manipur University, Physical Education Sports, Dr. T.H. Bimol, Manipur University SC Senior Executive Member, Dr. K.H. Doy Chandra, and eminent personalities of the department attended the valedictory event. All Manipur Carom Association in a press release informed that the 28th state-level age group and inter-district Carom Championship 2019 organized by All Manipur Carom Association and Imphal East District Carom Association will kick off at Nongwaibung Community Hall Academy Road from September 28 till October 3. Now, before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. United Committee Manipur holds one-day public alert meeting on possible settlement of Naga Peace Accord at Lamyanba Shanglen Palace compound. Amju President Bijoy Kakchintabam clarifies doubts over journalist pension scheme under the IPR. Combined team destroys illegal structures above Naga Nala using heavy machineries, warns of more such strikes. And Lok Sabha MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan assures to approach Centre to take measures for preserving traditional art forms of Manipur.